Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this Chaparral. It's a 2019 298 and RLS. A dry weight on this puppy is 10,000 pounds, 10 and 24 pounds, so pretty light. Really nice features on this coach. As we pass through, the big awning here, power awning, underneath LED lights. Outside the speakers, those are waterproof with a mount here for your TV. Really nice basement with magnets up there to hold the door up. So look at this, lots of storage, pretty nice. Let's walk inside and show you a couple of features. This is a really nice coach with lots of counter space. I like this theme, like a hutch. Look at that. So control panel right there. Easy, nice cabinets. Very cool. And of course, the pantry. Big deal. So you got this stuff here you can even maneuver with the shelving if you would like. And as we go through, we got your stove oven. There you go. Really nice features here, nice touch. Everything kind of blends. And there you go, big, huge microwave. And they upgraded this fridge into a 4-door. Pretty sweet. This can go propane or power, what have you. You can put on auto, it does its thing. Really nice feature here, I like. A nice island with lots of storage underneath. As we come through, of course, you got your master chairs where the big screen TV across from you. This way you don't have to, you know, rubbernecking. So a big couch back here with a rear view. Nice cabinets, easy to reach, really deep, very nice. LED lights throughout the coach. Pretty cool. Nice ambiance here with the fireplace. Heat will come up through here, of course, but this is gonna be nice for the pets. Nobody's gonna get hurt. Very nice feature. Love the chairs and this table right here with a big window. Really gives you some privacy here if you're eating, having fun, maybe playing a game. As we go through here, we're gonna come up here to the shower. Really nice shower, enclosed shower, not nice, no curtain. The water stays indoors, inside. Really nice features here too. Of course, you can't help but to see this feature here that tells you washer and dryer hookup. That's pretty sweet. And this is, you know, the bed as in a slide right here. So that's what gives you more room, more closet space. This is actually a closet. It's pretty cool with a light in it. Pretty nice touch. There's USB ports throughout this coach. Nice more storage up here. So you got dressers in a way. Nice window right here. TV mount can be right here. It's right there, but you can put a TV easy. The hookup is right there. Let's go out there and show you more features. This coach got a surprise to it, which is the outside kitchen. Pretty big, massive in a way. Got big TV in it. Got a nice burner right there. You got a prep table. Really nice. Hook up here for what have you. As we go through, we're gonna come back here in the rear and we'll see the ladder where you can go up there and check for debris, what have you, you know, up there. Nice, like it's not a tow package, it's a bike rack in a way, or maybe a barbecue, whatever you would like to mount right here, that would work. As we go through the big slide, this that was our kitchen throughout here. As we walk in, your water heater right there, and then we got our hub, your outside shower. Everything is right there, folks. You don't have, there's no puzzle here. Nice auto leveling, that is huge. Push a button, you're set up. It's pretty nice features on this coach. Please give me a call if you have any questions at 541-515-1237. Thank you.